Hi everyone. Welcome to the fifth and final installment of my short course on how to create a WordPress-powered website from scratch using Elementor. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know to make your new website responsive. If you would like to follow the full course from the start, please watch part 1 to 4 first, and then come back to this video. If you are only here to learn about making your website responsive using Elementor, please keep watching. Elementor makes it super easy to make your website mobile friendly. Most of the widgets are already responsive and highly customizable for mobile devices. So let's get started. I will assume that you have followed along from part 1, but if you haven't, you can just edit any of your existing pages. Log into your website backend, then navigate to Pages, All Pages, hover over Home, and click Edit with Elementor. On your Elementor dashboard, you can click the responsive mode icon in the bottom left corner and select mobile. This will give you a preview of what your site will look like on a mobile phone. Notice how most of the widgets are automatically responsive. What we are going to do is tweak the design to make the mobile site look even better. You can see the same for tablet view. But for this tutorial, we're just going to do mobile. Once you can do mobile, you'll be able to do tablet as well. Let's start with a slider. Select the slider widget. Immediately under the slider properties, you can see some new icons next to the height property. Because you are currently in mobile view, this is automatically selected, so if you change the value here, it will only change it for the mobile view. Change this to the desired height. Note that your font sizes are out of proportion now, so let's change that as well. Click Style, then Title, and Typography. Notice how the same icons will appear next to some of the properties. Any property with these icons next to them can be changed individually for each device, namely desktop, tablet, and mobile. Let's change the font size for mobile to something more suitable. Then do the same for the description. Easy, right? But what if we would like to hide the slider altogether when viewing the site on a mobile device? For this, we will simply hide the section. So select the section, click Advanced, Responsive, then toggle the button to Hide on mobile. If you update the page now and view the site from your phone, you will see that the slider is no longer enabled. You can also minimize the editor, which will show you a preview of what it will look like on your phone, where you can see that the slider disappears. If you view the site on your desktop or tablet, you will still see the slider. Next, let's look at layout options. In this example, we have 4 service blocks underneath each other on the mobile view. Say you would prefer to have 2 next to each other. Simply select the first column, and don't get confused between sections and columns. The column is selected from the top left corner. Or you can right click and go Edit Column. Note the responsive icons next to the column width. It's already on mobile, so let's set this to 50%. Scroll down to the second one and simply do the same. See how easy it is to change mobile layouts. Now go ahead and style the rest of your mobile view. If you get stuck, always remember the responsive icons next to each supported property. If you don't see the icons and change the property, it will change it for the entire site, so just keep that in mind. Once you are done, click Update to save the page. Did you notice that you are unable to change your header where the logo, search bar and menu is? That is because you are currently editing a page. If you followed along from part 1, you would have created a header template. So let's go back to the dashboard and edit the template. To do this, go to Elementor, My Templates, look for your main header template and edit with Elementor. Remember to select the correct responsive mode again. You will see that you are now able to edit each element on the header. So edit your header and click Update to continue. Just a tip. The same way that you can hide a section on mobile view, you can also hide a widget. So if you select the widget, in this case the search widget, click Advanced, Responsive, you can hide it on mobile as well. And that's it. If making your website responsive seemed too easy, it's because Elementor really does simplify things. Now go ahead and edit the rest of your pages to create the perfect mobile view. Take your time and remember, mobile is becoming increasingly important and search engines are already focusing more on mobile devices, so it's worth doing it properly. And that concludes the 5-part series on how to create a website from scratch using Elementor. I hope that you found it useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to be notified of any future videos. If you would like to purchase Elementor Pro, please use the link in the description. Until next time, cheers for now.